Hello, I'm going to show you, I've got a bit of a croaky voice, not quite sure why. Feel okay, push on as we do. So I was just going to show you how to do the happy birthday for the centre. So I'm just going to measure out, let's do 7 centimetres, and I'm just going to mark 7 centimetres there and there, and I'm going to do another one because I'm going to do one that's using the sticky paper and one that's not using sticky paper. So, find my ruler. Just going to draw down, just to give us sort of straight edges to work with there, and then so you're not wasting too much acetate. I think so. Okay, so the first one I'm just going to cut. Cut that one. Just stick that to one side. Right. So this one is going to be just non-sticky paper, so you can just cut it out. I'm just using Cheap and Cheerful white card, that's all it is. And I'm just going to put that through the cutter. Turn it on, would help. Expect that to come out the other end. Okay. Right, just pop all the bits out. Pop it out of the die. Right, see if it's enough. Yeah, it should be enough. Perfect. Put that to one side. And that. Stick that over there. So what I'm going to do, just line this up. I'm working on a grid, any kind of grid, doesn't matter what it is. Just pop it as best you can, just so you've got space even. So you're looking at roughly there. So what I do, get some of the just normal cosmetic shimmer, just put it on the back of your hand. A lot of people don't like doing this, but I find this is the easy way to stick your intricate ones. Okay, just pick it up. Okay. And then just stick it down. Straight as you can think it is. It's going to be cut out, so don't worry about it. That will peel off. Okay. And I will glitter after on this one. So turn it up that way. Roughly in the middle. So on this one, you need it. Let me just grab the card. So you're going to need it Oh, it's easier to show you this side. So the B and the Y. So top of the Y, and I think I did about 10 centimetres. It's just slightly over 10 centimetres. Just under, say about 12. So what we do with your ruler, line it up with any one of your, it's roughly in the middle, but because you're going to put in it the Y and the B, it's quite hard to show you inside. I'll try. Don't know if you can all see that, but that's where it's going to be. So you don't want it to be on the happy because the birthday will be too far down. Okay, so just line it up. So we'll go for, let's just line it up. So that one there, and we'll go for that one there. So line it up there and there, and just go further up there and there. And then with the ruler, put it down as best you can. I was using a Sharpie for there, but if you use a Sharpie, then you're going to have to make sure you cut inside the line, outside the line, so you don't get any showing. So let's just do this up to there. Just don't want to touch at all. And in this one, you're going to get the rough idea. There. Oh, I'm doing it all cack-handed so you won't be able to see. And there. Okay. Now you need to use like this type of pen or any kind of fine liner, water and fade proof pigment pen this is. It's just because it rubs off after. So whereas a Sharpie pen doesn't. But if you only got a Sharpie pen, use a Sharpie pen and get some nail varnish remover and just get it off after that way. But I just wanted to show you how I'm going to cut. So cut down to the Y on both sides. I'm going to call them little towels. So that's going to be your little towel or your tab. But I like towel. Straight down, as close to the B as you can get it without cutting into the B. Okay, now so you don't cut yourself because this can be quite sharp. Cut the excess off here without cutting your towel or your tab off. There and there. So you will be left with that. Mine's a bit messy. Okay, you're left with that. So now we're going to go in and we're just going to, let's just get rid of this because this is a bit big. Just get rid of all the excess actually. It'll be a lot easier to cut. Just be careful as you're doing it so you don't cut anything off. Right, okay, let's start with the B. So you want to cut around the B as best you can, as close as you can without cutting into the white. Literally just following it round. Just cut that off. Look, it is fiddly, but once it's done it looks really nice. You might want to just cut straight across. That's fine. It's up to you. little tiny bit so you can see the edge. On that. Right, that's the bottom bit. Okay, I'm going to leave all that in there, and then just come up to, I'm going to go, because that's quite a big bit in there, so I'm going to go in there. I can't remember what I did on the other one actually. I think I left it in there. Never mind, take it out. Okay. It's not stuck, but you can stick it after. Go straight across that bit, just too fiddly. That down. We'll come back to the H bit, cut that round. And then cut that. Got into a little bit, never mind. I think my scissors are wearing out. Okay. And you just cut that bit across, just go underneath. Just tidy it up. Okay. So that's that. You can get in there. That's just dry glue. It's coming straight off. You can get in there with the end of a pencil rubber, or just go in there with your fingernails, or tweezers or something, and it'll come off. Try not to scratch it, but it will come off. Just dry glue. Okay. So that's that. Just get your glue. Not that glue. Where's my other one? I don't know. What's it? Okay. Literally just go over it. Won't be as precise as if we are using the sticky sheet up. If you haven't got the sticky sheet, this is the next best thing. Don't worry if you go over like I've just done. Once it's glittered, you never know. Okay, grab some glitter. I've actually put one away, so I have to get one. What do we fancy? Should we have? Let's have. Oh, I haven't got my favourite out. I'll just do Diamante Sparkle. Perfect. This one. Oh, missed a bit. There. Oh, never mind. Just pull the whole part over. I haven't got much left. Right. Give me a flick. Have a wobble. Put it over there. Right, I'm going to leave that one to dry, and I'm going to show you how to fit this. Just slip it up into the card. But I will be showing you properly on the day. This is to just give you a quick heads up. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that to one side because I can't do anything with that now because it's wet. So I'll show you the next one. That one, we use the sticky, double-sided sticky tape paper that Chloe uses. It's on her website. It's out of stock at the moment, but it's on her website. I'm sure she'll be getting it back in soon.